Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some stickers. So, step 1, we're going to be drawing out our design. And if somehow you don't know who I'm drawing or missed the thumbnail, I'm going to be drawing Mob from Mob Psycho. So, first things first, we need a solid base. So all we're doing right now is getting a rough sketch. Just so we know where everything is going to go, you know, the ears, the eyes, yeah. And this one should be quick. I mean, Mob's pretty easy to draw. I mean, look at him. So, I'm just gonna speed right through this. Alright, so now that we have a rough sketch and we know what he's gonna kind of look like, we're gonna bring down the opacity and we're gonna be moving on to phase 2, which we're gonna be switching pens here, and we're gonna go ahead and trace. And I'm gonna go ahead and cheat here. I'm just gonna be drawing one ear, doubling it, give it to the next person. And same thing with the eyes. Double it, take it to the other side, boom. Now they're symmetrical. I know I had a wonky eye in the drawing. All we got left is the hair, so time to finish them off. Alright, so now that we got the outline all done, we're going to move on to the next step, which is coloring. So we're going to start off with the base colors, and then we're going to be adding highlights and shadows later on. Got the outline, now let's just fill it in. Alright, so now that we got all the base colors ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and add some highlights. We're going to be starting off with the eyes, and also I'm going to be adding some highlights and shadows to the hair. And we're done. That was actually a really quick one. Well, there he is. There's my boy Mob. And since this didn't really take me long, I decided to go ahead and draw another peeker. We did Reagan. Alright, so now that both of them are done, we're going to be moving on to phase 2, and we're going to take this to the printer. Set up both of the designs, and once all that's done, we're going to hit print, and we're going to watch it work. Alright, so Mob's about halfway done. Reagan's being worked on, about 75% done. And once this machine's actually done printing, it's going to go ahead and cut it into shape. There it goes, it's cutting out the border right now. Alright, it looks like it's done, so let's go ahead and grab our box cutter and cut this out. Here they are. They look pretty good actually. I like them. Alright, so let's go ahead and weave this out. We're going to take off the extra vinyl. Gotta go a little slow just in case it lifts one of the peekers. So luckily no victims. Let's go ahead and crumple this up and move on to the next phase. So now we're going to be working with our transfer film. Let's go ahead and roll this out and place our stickers right on top of it. Get our squeegee, make sure all the air bubbles are out. Chop it off, and we're moving on. So now we got our cross cutter, and we're going to individually cut them out. Well, that's it. Here is Reagan, and this is Mob over here. These are all done, ready to go. About 5 inches wide. And here it is without the backing. What do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? Reagan or Mob? Leave it down in the comments. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. subscribe, share, anything you can to help me out. I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.